Hello friends, I welcome you to our show which is called Books of the Bible. So friends, in the last video, we have learned the 3 books of the Old Testament. So in today's video, we will learn the next 4 books. 1 Samuel, and it has 31 chapters. 2 Samuel, and it has 24 chapters. 1 Kings, and it has 22 chapters. And 2 Kings has 25 chapters. Repeat these after me. 1 Samuel, 31 chapters. 2 Samuel, 24 chapters. 1 Kings, 22 chapters. And 2 Kings, 25 chapters. Now let's say these together. 1 Samuel, 31 chapters. 2 Samuel, 24 chapters. 1 Kings, 22 chapters. And 2 Kings, 25 chapters. So friends, I hope you have learned the next 4 books of the Old Testament. So if you like our videos, please hit the like button and please share our videos. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. And also please hit the bell icon to never miss our videos. And please comment below. Bye, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.